Hello guys, today we'll show you how to install Elfsight widget on Squarespace website with the basic plan. If you have a higher Squarespace plan, check out our help center for an alternative method. Link in the description. Let's get installation code. Go to your Elfsight dashboard and click Install at your app. Copy the code. Let's jump to installation. First, log into your account and choose your website. Hit Edit Site. In the left navigation menu, click Pages and choose the one where you want the widget to be. Click Edit button. At the spot for the widget, hit Add section and add a blank section. Click Add Block. Then in the drop-down menu, you need to find Markdown Block. Click on the pencil button, which is Edit. Paste widget installation code and remove the first line of it if you have one. It's just a comment with a title. Removing it won't affect the widget. Make sure you don't remove script 1. To close this window, just click somewhere on the page outside of it and adjust its position. Save changes. We can't see the widget now in the editor. That's normal. It must be visible live. Let's check it. Here it is, and that's all the easy steps to install any Elfsight widget with a personal Squarespace plan. To install widget at other pages, you need to repeat the same process on each one. If you face any difficulties, please reach us at support@elfsight.com. We're always there to assist. Thank you for watching and being with us.